Hello world and hello CS50. My name is Davey Xu, that's DAVEYXU. That's also my EDX username. My GitHub is Davey-QIN. I'm in Latham, New York. I attend a community college nearby in Troy. And today is March 14th. It's actually Pi Day. Anyways, my project is a command-line interface-based course catalog search up, if you will. Basically, the inspiration for this is my schools is honestly not very good. You can't, if you want to find everything, you have to look in like multiple different places. And I just found it really confusing. So I decided to make this. Essentially, there are no pip installable requirements. Everything can be imported right from Python. Our first function is load courses, which will take in a CSV like I have here. It'll turn it all into one big nested dictionary. So it's going to have courses in a dictionary of the actual course numbers, like, course sections, sorry, like CISS, MATH, CMPT. Then each course section is going to have another dictionary of all the course numbers, and each course number is going to have another dictionary of all the data, like name, credits, prerequisites, or instructor. Our next function is get courses, which will take in the courses dictionary and a section and a number, which will be done through argparse, as we'll see later. And there is a little bit of error check in here. If the user doesn't type in a section that's in there, it'll raise an exception and just list the available sections. Same with the number. Now we have our build parser, which uses argparse. We print out a little bit of help here in case we need to do print help, which we'll do later. We have our two positional arguments, and we have all our optional arguments. And one thing we have here is it will store true if it is indeed in the parser. And as you can see, or in our display course, we use this. And if that is true, it'll print out whatever it is. Oops. Yeah. And that's for all of them. Now in our main function, we finally actually build the parser. We check to make sure, in case if the argument is just one, if the length of the arguments is just one, it'll print help. And everything else, I think, is pretty self-explanatory. We just called all the functions. Anyways, we can do Python 3 project.py, and with nothing, it'll just print out our help information. Now we can try actually putting in a course like CISS 100 with no options. It'll once again print out that. Yeah. Now we can ask for something like just the name. It'll give us the name. We can ask for the credits, instructors, and prerequisites. It'll list out all of that for us. And if we say give a number that isn't applicable, it'll raise an exception and tell us what all the available numbers are. And let's say I do another one, 111. It'll give me all of those. Yes. All right. Thank you for listening. And yeah, have a good day, I guess.